In this video I'm gonna show you how we can charge Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So right from the start I have to mention that it is not possible to charge this phone wirelessly. So if you have a wireless charger, then you won't have any use of it for this phone. You won't be able to charge it. The only way to charge this phone is by using the USB cable. I have my cable over here. That is not the original cable. You can also use any other USB cable. You can even use USB-C to USB-A if needed. And in general, you can use anything that provides power through the USB cord, meaning that if you do not have a power adapter or charger, you can use, for example, a computer, as long as you have the port that allows you to connect the phone to the computer, or if you have the cable that allows you to connect it like that. So until you get the power adapter or charger, you can use, like I said, anything else that also provides the power, like computer, but essentially you want to get a charger or power adapter. So you don't have to use the original charger or power adapter. For example, over here I have the Xiaomi charger, and it has 33 watts, which could also be better for this phone because the phone can charge with 68 watts at most. So definitely you want to get 68 watts charger or a stronger one. However, of course, if you have a charger that has less watts, it's still fine. It's still good to use. Just keep in mind that when purchasing a charger or power adapter, you need to take a look at the port, because, for example, Xiaomi chargers, they often have this USB-A port, which means that you cannot use the original cable because the original cable on this phone has USB-C on both ends. So you also need to have USB-C port on your charger in that case. So get the charger or power adapter, and of course we need to plug it in order to charge the phone. So we're gonna just put it into the charger, connect the charger, and use the cable to connect the phone to the charger like this. And there we go. This is how we can charge our phone. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.